DSL is a technology that provides internet access using the same wires as your home phone line. It's a way to get online without needing a separate, fancy connection like fiber optics or cable. Here's how it works. The phone line can carry more signals than just voice. DSL splits the line into two parts, one for phone calls and one for internet data. That's why you can talk on the phone and browse the internet at the same time with DSL. DSL is different from dial-up because it's much faster and always on, so you don't need to connect each time. The speed of DSL depends on how close you are to your internet provider's central office. Closer means faster speeds. Farther away might mean slower connections. It's common in homes and small businesses because it uses existing phone lines and is often more affordable than other internet options.